How to use Klarna on Sephora. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Sephora on your device. Click on the product you want to purchase. Then scroll down in the product and click on Add to Basket. After you've clicked on Add to Basket, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Checkout in here. After you've clicked on Checkout in here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, scroll down and you'll find payment method. There, click on Klarna, which is for interest-free payments of $32 as the product. And then you can add set as default as well, or my billing address is the same as my shipping address. And then press on continue on the right side. After you do that, you will need to log into your Klarna account or verify your number by clicking on continue in here. After it's verified, you're good to go. This is how to use Klarna on Sephora. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.